Okay.
Do 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 do.
Butter, butter, butter! Butter, butter, butter! Audience, why are you listening to my awesome song I'm making?
Here's one.
What? That was.
Watch out.
Actually, 3 feet deep.
That. The only reason that is an awesome song is because you were saying butter. Okay.
Butter, do, do, do!
If you were saying anything else, that would be the stupidest song ever. Just saying.
Holy cow, what a fun day.
We're gonna do a Minecraft video.
No, we're not.
Shut up.
Okay.
We're gonna do a Minecraft video.
No, we're not.
Well,
Sure, whatever.
and then we're gonna try to find.
I got my hair cut. I got my hair cut. And I'm gonna dye it violet and green.
And we're gonna do stuff. Kiss it, kiss it, kiss it.
Put that away.
Yeah, give me a little whoop whoop.
Yeah.
Kiss it now. Kiss it, kiss it, kiss it, kiss it,
Stop it.
kiss it.
I don't wanna.
I'll kiss it, and then you kiss it.
No. You stop kissing my stuff.
I wasn't actually kissing it.
Yeah, sure you.
Okay,
I
okay.
totally believe that.
Really? Growing corn.
What? Okay, okay.
Weirdo.
This episode is SpongeBob.
Where traffic goes every time. Lots of traffic.
Do you understand
Patrick?
how weird he is?
Patrick
don't think
was
you do.
kissing a pickle. That was the size. He was kissing.
Well, Patrick's weird,
I know,
so.
he was.
Wow, there's some fucked up clouds.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
This
Well,
guy.
She loves pickles.
I'm freaking a
She
Miller.
loves. She likes being. She'll want to be Patrick, right?
what the heck is that dude doing?
What? What was he?
There was a person just staying in the
Parked in
middle
the
of the
Miller
road.
Road.
Idiot. Well, obviously.
Tornado?
Brianna,
Oh
would
You know, I duck.
Brianna, would you like
Oh shit, here we go.
what?
Here we go. Here we go.
That was fun.
Brianna, would you want to be Patrick?
No, Patrick's dumb. Like, I mean, he's one of the best characters on SpongeBob, but he's like really retarded and stuff.
What would you want to be?
I would totally want to be SpongeBob because he's the color of butter.
Would you want to be Sandy?
She's too smart and geeky and stuff.
Would you want to be Pearl?
She's all about, ew, let's go shopping!
Okay.
So no,
She's a cheerleader.
I don't care.
What else? Mrs. Puff?
No.
Why?
SpongeBob drives her crazy and she puffs up like in every episode that she's in.
Wow.
She has to go to the hospital all the time because of SpongeBob, so no thanks.
That.
Little Mr. Krabs.
He likes money.
There's a house that I love. There it is.
Oh,
There it is.
tell him the
What?
surf class.
That's the house. Oh, that house you mean.
Yeah, I love that house. It's so cool. It has
Wait, I
like,
think those houses are together.
yeah, the little house is a guest house.
Whoa, that's awesome.
I know. There's a house for sale somewhere around here that
Got
has
my
a guest house.
haircut, the sexy haircut.
Freaky back there.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
I got my haircut too. Wow. Wow. Eat at the Krusty Krab.
Sounds like all.
You know who I will
I know.
be? I got my
Here we go,
haircut. I got my haircut, and I'm gonna dye it when we get home. Wow. Brian, you know who I want to be?
Who?
SpongeBob.
Well, there's one right there.
But I can't because you will take him. But then I'll will
Someone else
be
may know
Patrick.
it. What about the...
Rhea, we should have, like, we should make
his
a map.
name?
Sponge.
The Flying
Brown map
Dutchman.
and your
Huh?
Flying
SpongeBob and
Dutchman.
Patrick.
Oh yeah, I would totally be him. Flying Dutchman. Totally. I don't care if I'm a girl.
Oh, Carter.
Let's see Jack Sparrow.
What?
Jack Sparrow.
What?
You can barely
Well,
see
that
him,
was
but
totally illegitimate.
there he
Retardedly
is.
fun.
Jack Sparrow.
I'm gonna put that one on Facebook.
Okay. So,
There's the house. Not that one.
No, it's
There's the
already going
house.
to him.
Here's the house.
Ah! Was that one of the funner days of summer, kids?
Yeah.
Rhea, want to play Among Us?
Oh. I already told you.
Get that out here.
Yeah.
What's up?
Tell me, buddy.
It was.
I got it. We can't unbuckle that. It's broken. Daddy, close the door. I like recording.
Okay.
It's fun. Document stuff. What?
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
What?
How would you be the flying Dutchman?
Well, it's a ghost that, and you get to scare all the stuff all the time. So I'm totally beautiful. Gosh, falling.
Who would you be, like Carol Ryan? What's been like Carol Ryan?
I don't know. I don't know. I gotta pee.
You've had to pee for a while.
I know. Whew. Okay, well, bye, peoples. Norp.